Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your audio on Instagram Reels after posting. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then log in your account. And then after that, you want to go to your profile by clicking your profile picture on the lower right corner of your screen. Then after you did that, just go ahead and click on the reel section. So here you can see your reel. So you want to click on these three little dots on the lower part of your screen, and then here, as you can see, doesn't have the option to change the audio. So what you can do is you need to download that video. So let's just wait. So while waiting, I'm gonna explain it to you. So once you download your video, you can now repost it using the audio that you want. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.